Alright, my friends, this is the last activity for this week with measurement, and it is one that I hope you enjoy. You're going to be doing kind of a scavenger hunt with measurement. So you're going to be looking around your house for different things to fill in all the little boxes on the sheet of paper that you have. It has the little owl at the top, and I could not find my copy of it, or I would have it to show you as an example. But you're going to use that, and you're going to fill in those boxes looking for the different measurements. Make sure that you pay attention to whether it's using inches and feet and yards as our customary measurement system, or if it's using centimeters and meters. Now, maybe you're going to find something that is the same thing for more than one measurement. So maybe you can find something that's about the same. Maybe it's about 1 inch, or maybe it's about 2 centimeters. So maybe you can do more than once. So have fun with this. Enjoy finding all those different things. I'm excited to see what you guys can measure at your house. So good luck, and I hope everything is going so good for you.